everyone, welcome back to the channel and hope you guys are doing well. The sun is out and it's officially summertime. I'm so excited to be back with a summer home refresh from decorating, cleaning, styling and bringing in the season. So let's go ahead and get started.
It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel cold when you're around, like nothing can break me.
So we're going to start from deep cleaning, especially those areas you would normally ignore during your regular cleaning. As you guys can see, I went ahead and I lifted up this coffee table. That coffee table is heavy, guys. So usually whenever I'm vacuuming the living room, I always avoid that coffee table. But of course, we're doing a deep cleaning, getting our homes ready for the new season. So you want to make sure you get in and clean up or vacuum up all those areas that you would normally ignore. So after that, I went ahead and I arranged. I usually would maybe lift some furnitures that are not heavy, but those heavy furnitures, guys, trust me, I also avoid it because I know not everybody gets under their furnitures and things like that. It's always good probably once in a while, maybe once a month, once in 6 weeks, to if you have maybe a man in the house, you can ask them to help you lift them up, because when you have kids, guys, there are no place kids don't put maybe toys and food and things like that. Even though my kids don't eat in the living room, the dining is meant for eating, but you can never be careful, especially when it comes to snacks and all those things. Honestly, guys, I can't watching this clip. It's so funny because I didn't realize how much of my method cleaning solution I sprayed on that coffee table. And the thing is, that coffee table, it has kind of a design on it, so you have to literally clean it based off of the flow of the design. But the amount of spray I just sprayed on that coffee table, it wasn't necessary at all. But anyways, you guys, so we're gonna proceed to wipe down, clean down all the furnitures, and for today's video we're gonna be concentrating on the living room and also the kitchen and a little part of the hallway, guys. So going ahead to dust and clean your furnitures is actually a very nice way to make sure you don't have dirt and dust and debris just hanging around your furnitures, because that is a very simple way people tend to get sick. Oh my goodness, I hate having furnitures on having dust on my furnitures. I say having furnitures on my dust. But yeah, you guys, I'm just going ahead wiping down, cleaning down all the areas I know that dust would usually settle on.
Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel cold when you're around, like nothing can break me.
And now it's time to go ahead and put on our decorative throw pillows. And you guys, I can't even express how happy I am when it's a new season, especially when it's a season for warmer weather, guys. You guys know, we have different seasons and I dread the winter season. So when it's spring, when it's summer, it's just my favorite. I think my favorite season is actually summer and fall, because of the fact that fall, it's cold, it's hot, it's in between. But yeah, when it comes to the summertime, especially for this year, guys, last year I believe I did more of a mint green, for my living room decoration. But for this year, I'm going with a yellow. There's just this thing about yellow that brightens up the mood. It just it gets me automatically basically in a good mood, guys. So I decided to go with yellow for this year. And also, when it comes to decorating your home, guys, you want to do what works for you, right? I know that for me personally, sometimes I like to have, like, I love to give different parts of my home different characters, you know. So sometimes I would like to do another color in my living room, another color in my kitchen, another color in maybe my family room. Just, you know, I love each space in my home to have its own character. But then also sometimes I just like that flow of colors, right? Like for this year's spring, yeah, this year's summer, I decided to go with yellow for my kitchen and also my living room. And this is because of the fact that, of course, my kitchen and my living room is an open concept, so it makes it easy to flow in the eye. You know, it's like, okay, you are in the kitchen, you're looking, and there's like pops of yellow in the kitchen, there's pops of yellow in the living room, since the both of these spaces share basically the same space. So, you know, that is just it. But just what I'm trying to say is it all depends on what you want. Sometimes you want them to rhyme, sometimes you just want to do totally different things in those two spaces. So it all depends on what you want to work with.
I don't mind it, let them talk, they don't get it. That we are two peas in a pod. We are two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod.
And we're just going to go ahead and add our decorative blankets. There's just something about decorative blankets. They help to anchor your decor. They kind of make the whole thing complete. And of course, guys, we're going to just quickly decorate this console table in my entryway. And of course, if you're enjoying this video, kindly hit that like button below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And yep, you guys, that is all there is to the living room and the hallway. And we're just going to quickly proceed to the kitchen.
Like nothing can break me. Yeah, yeah, we are two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod. That we are two peas in a pod. Now I know why it never worked out before. High low, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line.
Like I always say, if there is anything you see in my videos you're interested in, from my clothing to my furnitures, whatever it is you can see in my home, guys, definitely check my description box, because I try as much as possible to link everything there. Or an easy way to shop my home is to simply follow me on the LTK app. It's very, very simple, guys. Over there I curate a lot of, you know, home finds. I mean, I just love making the journey so much easier for you guys. So, you know, it's just a click of a link and you get to whatever it is you want to find, from my living room to my kitchen to my furnitures, whatever it is, guys. So now moving on to the kitchen, we're going to quickly go ahead and wipe down the countertops. The kids are now on holiday, so I can't even begin to tell you guys how much, like, I have to wipe my countertops down every single day, because when they go to pour their juice, when they go to make their sandwich, there's always spots and spills and things all over my countertop. And my fridge, guys, like every appliance in my kitchen knows that the kids are off on break right now, because the amount of food those kids eat it's not even funny. So I'm going ahead to wipe down everything, my countertops, my refrigerator, my microwave, my oven, just make sure everything is nice and clean. And we're just going to keep the kitchen decoration very, very simple, very, very, nice and summary. I honestly haven't looked back ever since I started adding a wreath over my stove, guys. I love the fact that, it gives the kitchen a kind of a character, guys. And as you guys can see, with that wreath over my stove, it has, a lot of summer colors, from your reds to your greens and your oranges. And of course, for my kitchen island, I also decided to add a flower vase and also my candle. You can never go wrong with flower and candle when it comes to decorating. And of course, on our breakfast nook, I decided to add this table runner and also this flower vase, guys. And we're just going to quickly go ahead and refill the kitchen. I went ahead and refilled the soap, and also I'm going ahead to add my decorative kitchen towels. Let me tell you, these kitchen towels are for decoration. It's not for use, guys. I have like the kitchen towels we use, but everyone in my home knows that these ones are for decoration. So I just add that there just to tie up the whole decor. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and refill my salt, my oil. And yep, you guys, I am just so in love with the way this summer refresh turned out. And if you're still getting yourself in the mood for summer, I feel like an easy way to get yourself fully in the summer mood is to go ahead and decorate your home. Add up those beautiful, nice summer colors, from your pastels to your greens, your blues, your yellows, your oranges. No, oranges. I think oranges are more for fall. But anyways, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button below and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Until my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.
Sometimes, but I know we're safe.